Hey YouTube! Here we are. A little bit of a storm going on here. PEI, Canada, Prince Edward Island. Just thought I'd give you guys just a little bit of a look of what our snowstorms are like. You guys might not have snow where you guys are from, but we're in a pretty big blizzard right now. Just sitting in the car right now doing a review of this storm. So, what can I say about this storm, guys? Well, it's windy as... We'll spin this camera around and we'll have a look outside. Oh, the car is kind of rocking here. Gusts over 100 kilometers an hour, guys. Winds, max speeds probably up to 120 tonight. 2 to 3 feet, I guess, or 50 centimeters they're calling for here. So that's a pretty big difference, or pretty big snow accumulation, guys. We're getting like buried here tonight. I'll take you for a little walk around before we stop this. So I'll turn off these lights in the car so we don't. There we go. Let's not lose the car door. Kind of hard to see out here. Well, as you can see, guys, a little bit of drifts. It's close. Storm's only just started, guys. Drifts, blowing snow. That's my neighbors over there. Blowing like crazy. My neighbor's car started to be buried. Drifts, the cars are started. Oh, I fall down. Into the snowbank. Woo! Go back in. All wet and cold in. You guys are staying warm where you guys are at. And we'll catch you on the next one, guys.